Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Cle'era and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing this Flexi Rod set on my natural dry hair. As you can see, this is an old wash and go styled hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Camille Roses setting mousse and go ahead and distribute that through my hair and brush through with my Denman brush. And I'm using these medium to small Flexi Rod sets to wrap my hair around. Also, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay updated. Also, I will link down in my bio below where you can buy these Flexi Rod sets as well as the products that I'm using. I do get a commission on it, so I would definitely appreciate if you would go down there and purchase those and support Black business. Yes! And I already have my hair pre-sectioned. I don't know if you can tell. It was from an old style. So I'm making sure that I'm taking about 1 inch or 2 inches of hair to wrap around that Flexi Rod. And I just repeat this same step throughout my entire head. So I'm going to speed it up throughout so it's not repetitive. But I hope you guys enjoy. Feel free to rewind or fast forward to the parts that stand out to you the most or that you need to re-watch. Thank you. Now that I am all done with this Flexi Rod set, I am going to sit underneath the dryer for an hour. Now, unlike wet hair, this only takes an hour, even 30 minutes really, so it dried fairly quickly. Once that hour is over, I am just going to unwrap the Flexi Rod the opposite direction I wrapped it in, if that makes sense. And these Flexi Rods are bouncy. These just came out so cute. I am satisfied. Yes. So once I am completely done unraveling all of those Flexi Rod sets, I'm just going to take each curl, as you can see here, and I am gently untwisting it again in the opposite direction it was twisted in, and I'm being very gentle so it does not disturb the curl pattern. As you can see here, I'm lightly separating it just to make it as full out just to make it as full as I want it to be. And then I just take a pick, shake, 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 and I am all done. Y'all, this is an easy style. I promise. Yes, it can be time consuming, but I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed the style.